Where you find live-in relationship?
Living relationship.
Live-in
Talking
relationship.
in Islam.
Yeah.
In Islam, there's nothing like living relationship. That causes nothing but adultery. That fine, you want to go, you want to stay together. Islam doesn't believe in that. Islam believes there should be a contract. Marriage, according to the Quran, nikah is a marital contract, it's a sacred covenant. That means if you have to stay together, have a contract between husband and wife. And in the contract, you can lay down conditions, which are there. If you hear my talk on women's rights in Islam, various conditions can be laid down. You can even lay a condition saying that, fine, I don't want my husband to take a second wife. She can lay any condition, what is permissible. She can lay a condition that, fine, I'll marry you only if you give me so much money. I'll marry you only if you give me monthly so and so this. I'll marry you if I give me whatever condition. He may agree, he may not agree. But living without a contract is nothing but adultery in Islam, zina, which is prohibited. Islam doesn't believe in living relationship without being husband and wife. If those who are not husband and wife, they stay together and have sex and say, fine, when we want to live, we'll live. When we want to part, we'll part. Now the court is saying, even living in a relationship, if the man walks out, he'll be sued. So what is it? It is the same as husband and wife. Does it make sense? Now the court in India and other countries, what they say, that even if you have lived in a relationship and the man walks out, he can be sued. So what is the difference between living and marriage? It's the same thing. So what they say, even if they have not married, but if they're living together with consent, if they live together, and if the boy walks away, the girl can sue her. So living and marriage is the same. Only the wording is different. So in Islam, what we believe, it should be with consent. There should be witnesses. That's fine. This girl wants to marry the boy wants to marry her. What the contract is laid down? He has to give a marital gift. The man has to give a meher. A meher is a marital gift, should be given to the woman. And she can demand anything. Quran says she can even demand a mountain of gold. These are the rights a woman has got. In our Indian culture, it's opposite. It is the woman who gives dowry to the husband. Correct? In Islam, it is the opposite. It is the woman can demand from the husband. Even a mountain of gold, the Quran says. That's a different question. If he doesn't have a mountain of gold, he says, I cannot give. So whatever he can afford, if they mutually agree, so giving a marital gift is compulsory for a marriage to solemnize.
Sir,